NATO, 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 NATO. We have a NATO weather report. NATO alert. NATO fucking alert. Find shelter. Shelter is mandatory.
Hi guys.
Shelter has become top priority.
Where is it?
I don't know, but we're gonna fucking find it. Oh god. Oh lord. There's a pond back here. There's gotta be shelter.
Better grow wings fast.
Holy fuck. Come
Why-
on, shelter. There's a shelter. There's a shelter up there. Just keep
My
running.
God, that sounds
I can barely move. I'm fat.
It's okay, I'm out of stamp. If it catches us, it's gonna catch both of us. Oh fuck, dude, it's getting windy.
Where? I can't even see it.
Neither can I. This is bad.
Maybe can.
Somebody says shelter and NATO's. Oh god, and then there's fucking bad things happening. It's the danger zone. I don't like NATO's. Everyone knows this. NATO's are bad. Bad news bears.
Oh my God.
This is a fucking code red alert. We're in the danger zone. Danger levels have reached critical.
This man is knocking over trees and shit trying to get
There's
to that
one
Oh,
heading
God.
towards Mountain Lake.
Oh god, that's where we are. That shelter's not big enough, bro.
Is it not?
No, it doesn't give us enough shelter. Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
fuck.
Oh,
Safe log,
fuck,
safe
fuck,
log, safe
fuck,
log,
fuck, yeah.
safe
Right
log.
now. Safe log right now. Uh. Holy shit. This is
I got
bad.
20 seconds.
I got. Oh, come on, baby.
Oh.
Don't do this to me, nature.